Hello everyone, welcome to 8172 here on the Disney Treasure. Let me give you a tour. Here to the left is your first bathroom. So here it is. This one is going to have your toilet and your vanity in here. So that's nice. And here on Disney, they have split bathrooms. So let me show you the other one. This makes it really nice and really convenient. So then you can have multiple people getting ready. You've got your shower. You've got this big like mirror and the sink. And then you have this big mirror right here. And then on this side, we have a bunch of cabinets. So here is cabinet number 1. You've got lots of shelving. You've got your life vests, as well as your safe right down here. And something interesting is they also have some drawers. And then they also have another one right here, with some hangers, the ladder for the bed, and some extra storage up there. On to the main room. I'm so excited to show you guys this. Here is the bed, and look at what is right here. Look at the artwork. So this room is themed Encanto. It's really cool. I love this artwork. It's so pretty. And then on each side of the bed, you will have these little drawers right here. And then you can turn these on, little reading lights, as well as a little lamp. It even has a cute little Mickey. How cute is that? You actually have chargers. I completely forgot. I think this is the Euro one. This is a USB and USB-C, I believe. Noticing one thing, there's different outlets there. I didn't realize that. So you've got these 2 different plugs, and then you have one right here. This one looks to be not able to be used, but you have that one, as well as the lights, reading lights, and your lamp. You also have this big TV. This is bigger than the normal TV that Disney normally has. They're normally like these smaller little things. This is an actual this is pretty big sized. So that is your TV where you can watch all sorts of different movies and shows. And now onto the other side of the room. Here is where you're going to have your couch. This is going to be able to fold down, and you're going to be able to have one person sleep here, and then one person is going to be sleeping up here. So it's going to pull down, they're going to put that ladder on, and then you can like go up there and sleep. It's really cute, and they even have like something on the ceiling. I think it may be Genie that you can see. It's really, really cute. And I love the fabric on here. Like, look at this. It's got like little like gold, like glittery in it. That is so pretty. And I love the artwork. Look at this. It's so pretty. It's all like Encanto themed. Then over here, you've got your regular phone. It's really nice that they don't put it over on the side tables, because it kind of gets in the way. So it's perfect that it's right here. You also have your recycling and your trash. And then you also have this big mirror. You got some other lights to your ceiling and your curtains. And then we have some other drawers right here. This one comes with your blow dryer. You got another drawer and another one. And then here is this drawer as well. And then this is the little beverage cooler. It's different than the other ones. Normally they just like open, they're like little mini fridges. This is like, so where you can put all of your different like little drinks. You have some shelving right here, which is nice, because then you can put different things like Mickey ears or whatever sort of like souvenirs you get. And you also have some other USB and or C and other options for these outlets. So you've got all of those as well. Right here is another bed that's gonna drop down. It's gonna come literally right there. And they will do all of this for you. So you do not need to take this down. They have a special key. And then here is the porthole. Look at this. I've never stayed in a porthole, and so it's super cool. You can even sit right here. It's perfect. That is a room tour of 8172, a family ocean view stateroom here on the Disney Treasure. I hope you guys liked that, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.